Try and read out each sequence in table 3 in your notebook. Can you draw the next shape in each sequence? Why or why not? So they're asking us the reasons as well. After each sequence, describe in your own words what is the rule or pattern for forming the shape in the sequence. Again, all of this is something that I hope you guys are pausing. You have to pause and try doing it yourself. Now, I should have had some more space, but anyways. Now, let's look at the next diagram. After decathlon, what will come? Not decathlon, sorry, decagon. Then we have 11 sides. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Not a good one. 9, 10, 11. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, I didn't know I messed up that much. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Not a good one, but let's see. 3 and 3, 6, 9, 10, 11. So we were able to do it. So why or why not? Can you draw? For the answer, yes, we can draw. I mean, that doesn't make sense because we already drew it. That's the proof. Anyways, the point is for you guys to think over it, right? How is that we are able to do it is the actual question. So basically, what we are trying to answer over here is what exactly is that we are doing so that we are getting the next picture. So in this case, what is that we are doing? What is that we do actually? What do we do from one figure to the other figure? We are actually adding, yes, a new side, as simple as that. So describe that. So this is where your writing skills comes into picture. That's why we should learn languages as well, expressing yourself. So we find next figure by adding a new side. Oh, sorry, a new side. Okay, that was your first one. Now let's look at the second one. So what is happening over here? Can we draw the next one? We can actually. So this is K6, we need K7. K7 will look like this, right? I'll take this as a guidance. It'll be easier. Well, let me put the dot first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So joining this. Again, if your shape is anything else, that's okay, but it needs to have 7 sides. And the sides have to be straight. Next thing that we have to do is connecting, and connecting. Okay, it's already connected. So we have to keep doing that. Oh yeah, this side. So every side has 7, so 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? 5 lines going out of it. We saw this. This would be 1, 2, 3. I think we are almost there. This is all, yeah. So answer here is again S. I will not write the entire sentence. So now, what is the question? How do you describe, how do you get the next figure? Can you pause and think over now? Pause. So how did we do it? Add an extra dot to previous diagram and connect all the dots. Dots are here, vertices over here. Hopefully, vertices is your plural form with straight lines. With straight lines. This would be third one. Yeah. Now, okay. How do you describe this? So we have 1 and so on and so forth. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll do a bit of shortcut. I hope you guys are okay with that. It's not an easy thing to draw this. You guys might have fun doing this, but I will not. And we'll both waste our time, so I better do this. Which color? I think I'll go with red. Safer. Too fat. Too thick. Okay, so pose this, you know what to do. I mean, I know you guys know it. I don't know why I'm doing it. So basically this, guys, right? This is the next diagram. So the question is, how did we do the next diagram? So for that, I'll teach you guys a term. This is a row. What is a row? I'll show you that with a different. This is a row. Across is a row. Okay. So let me do that. When you talk in this way, it's a row. And when you talk this way, it's a column. Okay. So I'll make a note of that. Right? Does this make sense? These are names, that's it. So this is an extra column. This is an extra row that I added. This is the one, right? Yeah. This is the row that I added. This is the column that I added. So basically what I'm trying to teach you guys over here is I can describe, again, there are many ways to describe. Adding extra row and column will give us the next figure. Or expanding the number of sides, okay, it will give us the next figure. Whatever you guys want to describe it as. So adding extra, one extra block, so we can't, one extra row and column, extra row and column to the previous figure, we get the next figure. Now, same thing over here. What to do? This I'm not going to draw. That will be a lot of time. It will take a lot of time. Many ways to describe it. So what is that we are doing? We are adding a base. When I tell base, this is what I mean by base. This is a base. Let me do a better job. This is a base. For the existing structure, we are adding a new base. We are adding a new base. With the triangle. Okay. So adding, how is that we are doing this? We are adding new base to the previous structure with the triangles with small triangles. This gives us, again, I think I'm not very happy with the language. You guys can improve on that. This gives us the next structure. Next figure structure. Finally, this is complicated. So this is something, if you guys are able to do it, that's really good. So let me explain how we get this. See, it's quite simple, but yeah, you need to know it to. So first step is we'll have to divide the entire length of the triangle into 3 equal parts. Okay, somewhere over here. This 2 point divides the entire length in 3 equal parts. Then erase the middle part. Okay, same process. Now, to this middle part, add a bump. And that's how you get the next structure. Can you see that? Not an exact good one, but middle part, middle part, middle part, middle part, same process. Divide any given line into 3 equal parts and erase the middle part. Right? I'm considering this and erasing it. Considering this and erasing it. Considering this, erasing the middle part, erasing the middle part, erasing the middle part. And now I'm connecting them. Can you see that we got the third figure, right? So basically this is your structure. So yes, or in this case, actually we can draw S, but the next one is going to be more complicated after this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sixth figure. It'll be difficult to draw actually, but it is doable, not that it's not. Steps. Divide the line, divide the side of existing figure, sides actually, divide each of the sides, divide each of the sides existing figure into 3 parts. Step 2 is erase the middle part, and step 3 is add a bump or draw a bump. That's how you get your new figure. From all of this, I hope you guys understand that all this is math. And we had our initial discussion about that math is not just to do with, this discussion, right? Let me kind of show it exclusively. Math is not just about numbers. There is more to it, right? From maths, we can derive a lot of things and we can understand a lot of things. New row and new column.